English tip by tip. Tip 34. How to calculate. Sum. 5 plus 5 makes 10.
Yes, 5 and 5 is 10. Important. Addend. Sum.
Subtraction.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
Yes, that's right. Important.
Minuend. Subtrahend. Difference.
Multiplication.
5 times 3 is 16.
No, 5 times 3 is 15. Important.
Multiplicand. Multiplicator. Coefficients. Product.
Division.
15 divided by 3 is 5.
Yes, that's right. Important.
Dividend. Divisor. Quotient.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.